Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to duplicate funnels in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Find the funnel you want to duplicate. Click the three-dot menu next to the funnel name. From the menu, select Duplicate Funnel or Clone Funnel, depending on your account version. Enter a name for your copied funnel so you can easily identify it later, then click Confirm. Systeme.io will create an exact copy of your funnel, including its pages, layouts, and settings. Open the duplicated funnel and review each step carefully. Update the page content, images, products, pricing, automation rules, or branding if needed. Before publishing, test every page to make sure forms, buttons, checkout pages, and email automations work correctly. Duplicating funnels is a great way to save time when creating similar funnels for different products, services, or marketing campaigns. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a funnel in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.